Pat Sullivan is an Australian-American cartoonist, film producer and pioneer animator born the 22nd of February 1885 and died the 15th of February 1933. He is best known for producing the first Felix the Cat silent cartoons. Felix the Cat was created in the 1920s predating Mickey Mouse. Felix the Cat was the first cartoon character to globally merchandised and known, paving the way for future generations of cartoon and animated characters who became globally known. As a result, Felix the Cat is considered the grandfather for all cartoon stars and has inspired many animators. Les Clark was born November 17, 1907, and died September 12, 1979, was an American animator and one of the members of Disney's 9 Old Men. He became known as the studio's resident Mickey expert. His animation was known for rhythmic movements, well-timed musical sequences, and being able to express emotions through his works. Les Clark is responsible for many timeless classics, such as Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Lady and the Tramp, etc. Tex Avery was an American animator, cartoonist, director and voice actor from the golden age of American animation, born February 26, 1908, and died August 26, 1980. As MGM Studios did not have the resources Disney had, Avery was determined to make his cartoons the funniest and best-written ones. Tex increased film pacing, included outrageous gags, over-exaggeration, and had defining personalities to characters such as Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, Droopy, Screwy Squirrel, etc. He brought brashness, boldness, catchphrases, risque jokes, violence, adult topics to not only amuse himself and fellow animators, but other adults. His attitude was the opposite of Walt Disney's, where his cartoons had sarcasm, irony, irreverent, sexual and absurdist tones. Hayao Miyazaki, born January 5, 1941, is a Japanese animator, director, producer, screenwriter, author and manga artist. His works have recurring themes of love, family, feminism, pacifism, humaneness, love of nature, brutality of mankind, importance of friendship, conflict between man and nature. Some of his noted works include Kiki's Delivery Service, Spirited Away, Princess Mononoke, Ponyo, etc., and has influenced works such as Avatar: The Last Airbender and Del Toro's 2006 live-action fantasy Pan's Labyrinth. Stan Lee is an American comic book writer, editor, publisher, media producer, television host, actor, and voice actor, born December 28, 1922, and died November 12, 2018. Lee launched the superhero team, the Fantastic Four, in 1961, and was soon responsible for creating popular characters like Spider-Man, the X-Men, the Hulk, Doctor Strange, Daredevil and Thor. Stan Lee brought in revolution in the comic world through his satirical writing and bringing in the elements of the real world into the world of these superheroes, which is how he used to make these superheroes viable and responsible. Stan Lee was the primary creative leader for 2 decades, leading its expansion from a small division of a publishing house to a multimedia corporation that dominated the comics and film industries. The writer developed Marvel into an entity that has inspired blockbuster film entertainment like the Iron Man, X-Men, Thor and the Avengers franchises. Trey Parker was born October 19, 1969, and is an American screenwriter, actor, and producer, best known as the co-creator, with Matt Stone, of the subversive animated comedy series South Park and the Book of Mormon. His works contain absurdist plot twists, casual profanity, irreverent, skewed take on adult topics while dealing with real-life difficulties such as politics, stereotyping, and racism. There is preposterous change of plots in a sudden manner, and the use of expletives in a spontaneous and informal way.